Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Multibit token. Ticker symbol is Mubi, M-U-B-I. We're going to go over the Multibit token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token just got listed today. It is live now on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search their ticker symbol MUBI, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So Mexc Global, that is available now. It says the Mubi token powers Multibit's entire decentralized application ecosystem. This token is on the Ethereum blockchain. They have a total supply here of 850,940,179 tokens. They have 3,512 holders, 18 decimal places on this token. Now, their Twitter is at multibit_bridge. I'm going to put that up in the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find that. They have almost 7,000 holders on there, and they do have a link to their webpage, multibit.exchange. Now, you can find a full document section on their webpage. They have a GitHub coming soon, it says. Their Telegram is at Multibit Protocol, almost 1,000 subscribers on their Telegram. So Multibit Protocol is an innovative endeavor aiming to unify the liquidity amongst Bitcoin networks, BTC, and EVM networks. Multibridge offers a secure and efficient bridging mechanism to allow for seamless transfers of tokens between the ETH chain, BNB chain, and Bitcoin network. Bridging ERC20 tokens with BRC20 tokens, the Multibit bridge enhances the liquidity of BRC20 tokens and promotes the growth and development of the Bitcoin ecosystem. So they are merging value with versatility. So Multibit envisions leading the vanguard in cross-chain transfers across the blockchain universe. We are dedicated to ceaseless innovation and technology enhancements, all with the primary goal of providing secure, efficient, and seamless cross-chain transfer experience for users. Multibit interweaves the robust store of value characteristics of Bitcoin with the programmability of Ethereum's EVM networks, enhancing Bitcoin's utility through interoperability. Multibit aims to enrich the Ethereum ecosystem with a stable, significant asset, spurring innovation and amplifying the potential of decentralized applications and DeFi. This symbiotic merger holds the promise of creating a vibrant, interconnected blockchain landscape, sparking a new era of growth in the crypto space driven by BRC20s. So if you don't know what BRC20s are, you can check out my full video I did on that. Now, they have a vision on here. It says, Multibit envisions leading the vanguard in cross-chain transfers across the blockchain universe. Our ambition extends to empower BRC20 holders, unshackling the latent liquidity of these tokens and expanding their potential trading scenarios. In doing so, we aim to also provide substantial liquidity to other BRC20 related protocols, but our vision transcends mere transactions We aspire to be the driving force in development and interoperability of the expansive blockchain ecosystem by connecting previously disparate chains. We foresee a future where fluid cross-chain interactions are not just possible, but are the norm, propelling the entire blockchain sphere towards greater growth and innovation. So their core principles are security, user experience, and scalability. Now the protocol's overview is on here. So it empowers effortless transfers of BRC20 tokens to the Ethereum network, unlocking a whole new realm of opportunities. The process of bringing BRC20 tokens to Ethereum becomes efficient and straightforward, no longer bound by the limitations of separate blockchain ecosystems. Now, they have frequently asked questions on their document section that you could check out. They have ordinals, AMM, unleashing BRC5, ordinals farming, ordinals stablecoin. They have governance milestones on here. So they're going to have a token generation event. They're going to have expanded token support, enhanced user interface and experience, integration with additional DeFi protocols, partnerships and collaborations. Now, the holders of the Mubi token have governance rights within the Multibit platform. They can participate in decision-making processes such as voting on proposals for platform upgrades, new token listings, fee structures, and other governance matters. This ensures that the community has a say in shaping the future of Multibit. Staking for rewards, so users can stake Mubi tokens to earn rewards in the form of ERC20 or BRC20 tokens on the Multibit platform. By staking their Mubi tokens, participants contribute to the platform's liquidity and security while receiving additional token rewards in returns. The staking mechanism provides an opportunity for users to earn passive income based on their staked amount. So if you want to check out the advantages, the technical implementations, the cross-chain processes, those are all available on their document section, along with also a tutorial on Multibit. You can check it all out at docs.multibit.exchange. And like I said, you can find this token newly listed on Mexc Global. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one where this token just got listed. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility are. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Multibit? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.